Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Vocab listening channel. Today, we will enjoy a calm and simple English story about spending a day with a friend. In this video, you will listen to an easy conversation between Sam and Mina. They meet at the station, visit a café, stop by a bakery, walk in the park, and talk about their hobbies. If you are a beginner, don't worry. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English better. Here is today's question. What does Sam usually add to his coffee? The answer is in the conversation. If you hear it, please write your answer in the comments. Writing your answer in English will help improve your skills. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Mina.
Good morning, Sam. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm really happy to see you.
Me too. I've been waiting for today.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The sky is so clear and bright.
There are no clouds at all.
And it feels warm, too. I didn't bring a jacket.
That's okay. I checked the forecast earlier. It will stay warm all day.
That's perfect.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I was excited, so I went to bed early.
Me too, actually.
So, what should we do first today?
Let's grab some coffee first. There's a nice cafe nearby.
That sounds great. I love having a drink in the morning.
Same here. After that, we can walk around and enjoy the day.
I like that idea.
Is the cafe far from here?
Not at all. It's about a 5-minute walk.
That's close. I'm already excited. You really love coffee, don't you?
Yes, I do. I need it every morning.
I understand. I feel the same about my drink.
How do you usually drink your coffee?
I don't take it black. I usually add a bit of milk, but no sugar.
That sounds nice. What about me? I usually drink tea.
Oh, really? That's interesting.
Yes, I prefer tea most of the time.
Then let's find your tea and my coffee.
Let's go. Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Of course. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
I'll take a medium.
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Even though it's warm, I still like hot coffee.
That's very common. Would you like milk in it?
Yes, just a little milk, please.
And sugar?
No sugar, thank you. I prefer it with only milk.
Got it. 1 medium hot coffee with a little milk and no sugar. Anything else?
Yes, can I also get a medium iced tea for my friend?
Sure. Would you like sugar in the iced tea?
I don't think so. She usually doesn't like sweet drinks.
No problem. 1 medium iced tea with no sugar. That will be $6.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait over there. Your drinks will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Here's your iced tea. I didn't add sugar. Is that okay?
That's perfect. You remembered. Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome. Let me try my coffee. Takes a sip. This is really nice.
Really? I'm glad you like it.
It's very smooth. Not too strong and not too light.
That's why I like this cafe. They always make it just right.
How's your iced tea?
It's great. Very cold and refreshing.
Perfect for a day like this.
Yes, exactly.
This place feels really comfortable, too.
I agree. It's quiet and peaceful.
I like the music here. It's soft and relaxing.
It makes me feel calm.
And the chairs are so comfortable. I could stay here for hours.
Laughs. We still have other plans today, remember?
Oh, right. I almost forgot.
Do you come here often?
Yes, about once a week, usually on weekends.
You must really like this place.
I do. The staff are friendly and the drinks are always good.
I noticed that. The cashier was very kind.
They always smile and remember what I like.
That's really nice. I understand why you like it here.
I'm happy I could bring you here today.
Me too. It's nice to share places like this with friends.
Next time, you should try their cake.
That sounds great. I'd love to.
Their cakes are really delicious.
Now I have something to look forward to.
Shall we go now? I want to show you a bakery nearby.
A bakery? That sounds wonderful.
Let's go.
Hello. Welcome. Please take your time and look around. Thank you. Everything looks so tasty. It's hard to choose.
Yes, there are so many options here.
What do you recommend today? Our chocolate bread is very popular right now. Many people bought it this morning. The cheese bread is also very good. They both sound delicious. I'll take one chocolate bread, please. Sure, that will be $2.50. Okay, actually, I'll also take one cheese bread.
For me?
Yes, I thought you might like to try it. The cheese bread is very soft and fresh. We made it just a short time ago.
That sounds perfect.
The cheese bread is $2, so the total is $4.50. Here's $5. Thank you. Here is your change, 50 cents. Thanks. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. We will eat them outside.
That sounds nice. Please enjoy them while they are fresh. We will. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Please come again.
Wow, they smell amazing.
I can't wait to try them.
Let's go to the park nearby.
Good idea.
This park is really beautiful.
Yes, the trees are so green.
I love coming here, especially on days like this.
The weather is just right. Not too hot and not too cold.
Exactly. It's perfect for a walk.
I feel so relaxed here.
Me too. It's very peaceful.
I can hear birds singing.
Sometimes you can even see small animals here.
That's cute. I love nature.
It really helps you feel calm.
Do you walk often?
Yes, I try to walk every day.
Really? That's great.
Usually in the morning or after dinner.
How long do you walk?
About 30 minutes, sometimes longer if the weather's nice.
That sounds healthy. I should walk more.
You should try it. It's good for both your body and mind.
You're right. Maybe I'll come here every weekend.
That's a great idea.
I can also take photos while walking.
That's two hobbies at the same time.
Oh, look, there's a bench over there.
Let's sit down and eat.
Yes, I'm getting a little hungry.
Me too.
Here, try the cheese bread first.
Really? Thank you. That's so kind.
Of course.
Do you want to try the chocolate one?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Wow, that's delicious too.
So, I'd like to know more about you. What do you enjoy doing, Mina?
Well, I really enjoy reading. I read almost every night before bed.
That's nice. What kind of books do you usually read?
I like novels, especially romance and mystery stories.
That sounds interesting.
A good book can make me feel like I'm in another world.
That's a beautiful way to say it. I wish I read more often.
You should try. I can suggest some simple and fun books for you.
That would be great. Thank you.
What about you, Sam? What are your hobbies?
I have a few. I really enjoy cooking.
Really? That's amazing.
I try to cook new dishes every week.
What kind of food do you make?
I like cooking Italian food like pasta and pizza. Recently, I've also started learning Japanese cooking.
That's interesting. What dishes have you tried?
I made curry last week. It turned out pretty good. I also tried making rice balls once, but they didn't stay together.
Rice balls can be tricky. You need the right amount of water and pressure.
I see. Maybe that's what I did wrong.
I can teach you sometime if you want.
Really? I'd love that. And I can cook Italian food for you in return.
That sounds like a great deal. Do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like listening to music.
When do you usually listen to music?
When I cook, when I walk, and before I go to sleep.
What kind of music do you like?
I like many types: rock, pop, and jazz. Recently, I've been listening to some Japanese songs too.
You really like Japanese culture.
Yes, that's one of the reasons I'm interested in it. What about you? Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I also enjoy taking photos.
That's cool. What do you like to take pictures of?
I like photographing flowers, food, and beautiful places.
Do you share your photos anywhere?
Sometimes I post them on social media.
What do your friends think?
They say my photos are nice.
I'm sure they are. You have a good eye.
Thank you. That means a lot.
I really enjoy spending time with you, Mina.
Me too. It's fun talking like this.
Oh, we're back at the station already.
Really? Time went by so fast.
I had such a great time today.
Me too. Everything was wonderful.
I really enjoyed everything today. The coffee, the bread, the park, everything was perfect.
I'm so happy to hear that. I enjoyed every moment too.
And I learned a lot about you today. Your hobbies are very interesting.
Thank you. I also learned a lot about you. I didn't know you were so good at cooking.
I'm still learning, but I enjoy it a lot.
I really want to try your cooking someday.
I promise I'll make something for you next time.
That would be amazing. I'd love that.
When are you free next?
Let me think. How about next Saturday?
That works for me. I can cook lunch for us at my place.
That sounds perfect. I'll bring something too. Maybe cake or fruit?
You don't have to bring anything, but that would be very kind of you.
It's more fun when we share.
You're right. Okay, next Saturday it is. I'll send you a message with the time.
Sounds good. I'm already excited.
Me too. Well, I should go now. Thank you for today, Mina. It was really special.
Thank you too, Sam. I had a lovely time. Please be careful on your way home.
I will. I'll message you when I arrive.
Okay, and don't forget to tell me the time for Saturday.
I won't forget, I promise. See you next Saturday, Mina.
See you next Saturday. I'm sure your cooking will be delicious.
I'll do my best. Have a good night, Mina.
Good night, Sam. Today was really a wonderful day.
It really was. One of the best days I've had.
Bye, Sam.
Bye-bye.
How was the story? I hope it helps you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question again. What does Sam usually put in his coffee? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comments section. Practicing like this will help you improve faster. On this channel, I share simple and slow English stories for beginners. I will continue to upload more videos like this. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships if you'd like to support. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.